All right, good morning, ladies and gents. Happy Friday. I just looked at the calendar and we're only about 5, 6 weeks away from the end of the semester. I know it's been a little weird, but we're getting through this. So hopefully you guys are doing good and let's dive in. So next week we're going to start looking at paying for college, filing the FAFSA forms. What are the student loans all about? What are your expenses going to be when you go to college? Staying home versus moving away. Um, you'll see that college gets way more expensive if you decide to live on campus rather than living at home. Um, well, you'll see that as we work through it. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link to the game right here. The game is going to bring you to this right here. Next Gen Payback. Click on starting. So, you're going to apply to college. Shoot, I would say use your actual GPA, your actual extracurriculars, and the home state is going to be California. What the heck? Let's just go ahead and get it started. Let's say I got a GPA of 3.0 and I'm low on the curriculars. So what are my choices? I've got my in-state. So the cost is going to be $28,000, but I get $20,000 in aid. So I'm only paying about $8,000 a year. We got out-of-state, we got private, which gets very expensive, and you've got community college. So you make a selection of one of these. And now, so you want to monitor these down here, your happiness level, your connection to people, your focus, right? But you also want to keep an eye on your debt. So the decisions you make are going to affect your debt level, plus they're going to affect these other three factors. So, I mean, being debt free and being super unhappy, I don't know if that's the greatest choice. So you need to find a balance between being connected to people and happiness and the amount of debt that you put yourself into. At the end, you're going to end up here. So this was my amount of student loans, and this was the starting salary. So it looks like, as a general rule, your student debt load should be less than your starting salary. So in this case, I did well. So I want you to take a screenshot of this result, put it into a Google Doc, and upload it through Canvas. So this is just meant to be kind of fun, you guys. You do have to make decisions, and they're not always easy decisions, but you can see the ramifications of those decisions in the simulation rather than in real life. So I hope you guys have fun with this, and have a great weekend.